thing. He slowed right down to see what I was doing, and so I go,
Okay.
do you understand now?
Okay.
Thank you. He had a big fat owl. Loser! Means learner. Theo. Theo?
Sorry.
It's not funny.
I won't say it.
Oh. I'm okay.